Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick sketch of an action pose in which we're going to show a person sort of drawing or preparing to punch, but shown from the back. So if you have your pencils all set, we're going to put in a line like that to start, just stopping right about there, and shoulder. So shoulder structure there, delt. The other delt is here. As you see, this is bigger than this, so there's some foreshortening going on there because I have to show this at a certain slightly twisted angle. So I have to show a hunch in the back, because when you necessarily prime and gear up to throw a huge haymaker, sometimes it's instinctive to just bend or crouch a bit. And I'm showing that crouch right there in the torso, so you could just go with two shapes like this around this line and then go about putting in details according to the frame of the person you wish to choose as a model for this particular action. So I'm bringing in the delt right up there, and then the idea is to have one and two. The hand will be somewhere there. It might change according to how this video goes or how the sketch goes, but right now this is what I have it in mind. So thigh, leg, thigh, leg. So there's some foreshortening here too, so I'll actually spread that out a little more, leg, just to make it more dynamic. So this shoulder can be just rounded off like that, and let's show a structure there like that. And then right about here we have back of the delt, so arm, and then this goes into the forearm, and right here is that cocked fist. So we can draw this even backward. We're going to explore that in a second. So the head is right around here. So whether he's looking this way or looking directly like that way, it is all up to you. But right here, let's first get these details out of the way. So let's get these legs, guy's legs going, and that is foreshortened as I said, so just that much will do. So that leg is in the more toward us in the foreground than the other one. And then of course you could have these delt made smaller, you could have the arms thinner, you could have the forearm thinner. That is all up to you. But what we can also do is, with this particular pose here, we can focus on this area. You can bring this back even more, and you could come about, put the arms somewhere here. The only thing that will change will be the placement and the structure, and you could show a cocked fist right around here. So, and you could even bring this farther back, and it all again depends on how you wish to go about it. The shoulder does not vary too much, except you'll have to change the structure and the bends here, maybe in the skin, maybe hunch this upper back closer, and then bring this back, and you could even have more backward action. Go about the delt like that, and then place the hand somewhere further back even. So that is the idea behind this particular pose. And you could even have this person swinging right in the front. So before we actually finish off, let me put that out there too. So just outstretch him and have the punch going straight target. But of course you'll have to take care of the anatomy, how much foreshortening you need, where it's placed, and it all works. So it's a punching action shown from the back, and you can do all these nice things with it. So just to round off our key figure, what we chose to foreshorten, or what we started off with, was that part. And hopefully you can see this a little better through all the mess that I've made here. And there we have it. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, and have yourself a wonderful day.